Hi, this is Fran with our another fabulous Friday fun watercolor lesson. And we're going to start right in with our thankful kitties and do some fun colorful watercolors. And we're going to start out with a little sign for the kitty to hold. And I'm intentionally going to do it off center to the kitty. So we'll stamp the message first. We'll take our sticky note mask to cover it up. And then instead of centering the kitty to the sign, I'm going to stamp way over here to the side. And it gives me a fun look. There we go. I also want to do some packages to pop them up. And I'm going to do a couple of them while I'm at it, actually. And in case I wanted to pop up the little sign, that would be kind of fun. So I'm going to do a couple of those as well. I want to try some big swashes of color in the background, and it might be helpful to have an even bigger brush, but since this is the one size we have, I'm going to get this whole background area wet. I'm going to start with some light green and add some darker green. Let's do some splattering. While that's drying, I'm going to do one of these packages with lots of reds. So when these pieces are dry, I'll cut them out and pop them up. And it was easier, certainly, to paint a backdrop without working my way around the packages, which I want to put up here. So that's an easy way to do it. Okay, I'm going to start by stamping my little sign first. And then I'm going to cover it up and add the kitty. And this time I'm going to offset the two so that he's holding out his little sign. There we go. I'm going to do a slightly different color scheme. And to test it, I'm going to do a yellowy orange in the middle. And then a lime green. Steal some more yellow from here. And then I have a turquoise blue where I have phthalo blue and I've added green that was pre-mixed to make it more of a blue green color. And then I'm going to mix scarlet here and rose on this side and tone it down to get more of a coral color. And then this color of rose and blue gives me a magenta. Okay, and if I do them in that order, they should work quite nicely. Okay, I want to get my paper, my brush, quite wet, but I don't want to soak it like I did before, so I'm not going to pre-wet it this time. And then I'll go with my lime green and my turquoise. I think I'd like the darker color at the top and then let it just sort of fade as it comes further down. So same with my coral color and my magenta. And by tipping it, I'll get the darker colors at the top. And if they run together a little bit, it should be interesting, given that I've put them in sort of rainbow mixing order here. That yellow is traveling. And I like the look of some little dots here and there for interest. Okay, and now we'll cut out some of these little pieces and try popping them up as well.